This is a video of puppy movements. You have to you have to watch. We have been seeing them, let's see, over here, and we've been seeing them right over here. And here's Echo because she felt me touching her belly. Let's see what we can see. They look like little, oh, there it goes, right there. Isn't that so cool? Sorry, my hand's shaking. Look at that. Just in case nobody, oops, let me get this. No one's seeing it. It's right here. Her temperature went down this morning. It is 99.3. We started taking her temperature like 3 days ago, and it was 100.9. There's Puppy moving again. So she is on the downward slide. Her first due date is this Sunday. And between anywhere from Sunday to Wednesday, we expect her to actually have the puppies. So she could go into labor anywhere between now and next Monday or Tuesday and have puppies. Anyways, I try to keep these videos under 2 minutes. So I will see you next time. Bye.